Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one to have more space to show you how you can do that. And now just to add the widget, hold for a while your screen with your finger, and here, as can you see, we get the widgets icon. Just tap there. And now, as you can see, we got here all the available widgets that you can add on your screen. For example, we can go with the calendar shadow. Just to add the widget now, tap here once with your finger on the widget, and as can you see, we got this widget now on our screen. We can change the size of the widget if you want. We can make it bigger, smaller, for example like this. Also, we can move widget here on the screen or between the screens. We can create also the new screen with this widget, or just go back here, for example, to our main screen. Also, we can go back, and now, for example, we'll add one more widget here. Now just go back to do that, go to the widgets, and here, for example, we can add the TikTok widget, but the same way, just tap once on the widget and you'll see this widget here on your screen. And if you want to remove the widgets, just hold the widget for a while, and you'll see here on the left upper corner the X icon, and just to remove, tap here once on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.